Stress and weight gain, I think this is what I want to focus on. When we're stressed, we produce adrenaline and cortisol, and glucose is released. Our blood sugars spike. They then crash. What comes up needs to come back down again, and this leads to sugar cravings. If we are under ongoing stress, the body is sending signals saying we're going to need more sugar because there's still more stress that we need energy for, to run away from or to fight. So go get the sugar. Cortisol, when we've got those sugar cravings, cortisol is released to replenish the energy, which slows down the metabolism. Cortisol as a stress hormone, it slows down the metabolism, which is how we burn our fat. And cortisol causes excess circulating fat to be relocated in the abdomen. So when we are under stress, we have more sugar cravings, we have a slower metabolism, and we have more fat relocated in places like the abdomen.